details.
Some kind of hiccup with the guns.
Should I call Clay?
No, him and Bob need some quality time. Stay here. Get you the prospects. Help finish these up. Take care of him.
Absolutely.
Well, you're with us. Follow in the van. Let's go.
I'm going with.
Clay wanted you to stay here.
No, I'm not gonna be his little ammo bitch, but I'm not gonna do it. If there's a problem with those guns, I should be there.
All right, Teggy.